Today, we're making cute socks.
Some assembly required.
We saw an ad the other day for the cutest socks that hold hands. So of course, we had to see if we can make our own. Let's find out. We picked up some tall socks, which were surprisingly hard to find, and pom-poms for eyes. And then the rest of what I think we'll need, we already had at home. We've got some old t-shirts and socks to cut some arms from, some magnets to make them stick, needles, thread, and scissors for sewing, although you could probably also use fabric glue, and fabric paint for the eyeballs.
I'm going to try sewing a nice, simple tube shape for my arms.
I'll be making little fingery shapes with a stencil. I might regret mine. We'll soon see. And now we'll just backstitch all the way around our little arms. Well, when I was sewing those guys up,
I realized that we have 2 feet, which will each need 2 hands.
Oops, so I made 2 more. After I cut off the extra, I'll try to turn them inside out with a chopstick.
Ta-da!
Now I'll follow this halfway line up and pin the arms where they want to go. Now all I have to do is tuck in the edges and sew each arm down. Oh wait, magnets first. Here's one.
We've decided to put the stronger magnets in the right hands.
So I will just slide this guy all the way down. And now we're ready to sew. Yay! Arms complete.
Now, we'll sew on the pom-poms for eyes.
You could also use googly eyes or buttons or something, but I think these are the vibe that we're going for.
We're making sure to sew through the harder part on the inside a few times. Then, we'll tie a couple knots in the back.
Finally, we're using fabric paint for the pupils.
And then, we'll very impatiently wait for them to dry so we can try them on.
Yay!
They turned out so cute!
They're adorable! And there you have it!
They were so fun to make.
If I were going to make a few more pairs, I would probably bust out the sewing machine and keep the arms nice and simple, but I like the way that they have their own little personalities.
And the eyes are so cute.
Thanks for watching! Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out
every Saturday.
So until the next one, be awesome, and we'll see you then. Bye! Bye!